Welcome to our motherboard showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Asus Prime X670E-PRO and the MSI PRO Z790-A MAX. Both motherboards are designed for high-performance computing, but they cater to different processor families. Let's explore their features and see which one stands out. The Asus Prime X670E-PRO features an AM5 socket, making it compatible with the latest AMD Ryzen processors. In contrast, the MSI PRO Z790-A MAX utilizes the LGA1700 socket, supporting Intel's 12th, 13th, and 14th generation processors. This difference is crucial for users deciding between AMD and Intel platforms. When it comes to memory support, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO can accommodate up to 128 GB of DDR5 RAM, while the MSI PRO Z790-A MAX takes it a step further with support for up to 256 GB. This makes the MSI board a more future-proof option for users looking to maximize their system's performance. Connectivity is another area where these motherboards differ significantly. The MSI PRO Z790-A MAX includes advanced features such as Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, providing users with the latest wireless technology. On the other hand, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO does not specify its wireless capabilities, which may be a drawback for users seeking robust connectivity options. In conclusion, both the Asus Prime X670E-PRO and the MSI PRO Z790-A MAX offer unique features catering to different user needs. The choice ultimately depends on whether you prefer an AMD or Intel platform, as well as your requirements for memory capacity and connectivity. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech